This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how we pay tax to the government. We will cover the main ways taxes are collected, ensuring you understand your responsibilities. You'll learn about different tax types, like income and sales taxes, and how they contribute to public services. Understanding this process helps everyone manage their financial obligations effectively and confidently. For most employed individuals, income tax is automatically withheld from each paycheck, often around 15 to 20% of gross earnings. Self-employed people usually make estimated payments 4 times a year, in April, June, September, and January, based on their expected annual income. These regular contributions help fund many public programs. Beyond income, sales tax is frequently collected at the point of purchase, ranging from 0 to over 10% depending on your location and the item. Property owners pay property taxes, which local governments assess based on a home's value, typically 1 to 2% annually. Excise taxes are also applied to particular goods, contributing to specific government initiatives. Every year, you will file a comprehensive tax return, summarizing your income and expenses, usually by April 15. This document helps determine if you overpaid, leading to a refund, or underpaid, requiring you to pay the remaining balance. Filing accurately and on time prevents potential penalties and ensures your financial records are in order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.